Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I wanted to show you a pocket knife I just scored down the street at a garage sale for $2. It was in a pile of cheap old pocket knives, and I was able to get this for $2, so really happy to have it. It's got some neat things about it. This is I guess it's a kind of a scout knife, scout/whittling knife. It's got this liner lock here that holds this multi-tool. Got a screwdriver, can opener, bottle opener, so that's really cool. Nice snap to it. Then it's got the coping blade here. Other side we have the kind of looks like a reamer, but they're calling it a chisel chisel knife, hollow chisel blade for like fine detail work when you're carving. And then we got the main blade, which is a spear point. It's got the long nail nick, a little swedge, and it's got the model number there, D-2589. On the other side, it's got the maker's mark. It's really hard to see, but I'll put a picture towards the end. Got a really nice snap. There's nothing wrong with it. It's got jig bone scales, nickel bolsters. It's got this little easy open slot here for the reamer blade, if you want to call it that. So yeah, it's really a beauty. Happy to have it. Brass liners. That's about all I can say about it right now. Thanks for watching. Bye.